How to change the team name on FPL. Hey guys, and welcome back. If you have set up a stupid team name and you do not see the option to change it now, do not worry, you have come to the right place. However, this option is not provided on the application, so you must log in into any of the preferred browser for the Premier League. After that, go to the fantasy option and then click on pick team. As you can see, the name of my team right now is Yo-Ya. Now to change it, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option of admin. Under it, you will see team details. Tap on it. After that, you will see the team name option. Here is how you can change the team details regarding the name, kit and other option. You can now write down the new team name that you want to set up, and once that is done, scroll down again and you will see the option of update. Click on update details and you're good to go. So that is all for today's video. If you have any queries, do not forget to drop on the comment section. And till then, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.